Hello students. So we'll be studying about sterilization, sanitation, their definition and purpose, their methods, their procedure, salon hygiene and safety precaution in week 2 cosmetology. Let's see what is sterilization, sanitation and its purpose. Sterilization is the process of making an object germ-free by the destruction of all kinds of bacteria, whether beneficial or harmful. Sanitation, the measures applied to promote public health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. So this was the definition of sanitation and sterilization. Let's move further to its purpose. Sterilization and sanitation are of practical importance to the cosmetologist because they deal with methods used either to prevent the growth of germs or to destroy them entirely when possible, particularly those which are responsible for infections and communicable diseases. Let's move further to methods of sterilization and sanitation. As you know, kids, that sterilization and sanitation is a very important part of today's life. And we are moving further to know about the method those are used in cosmetology. So, to protect yourself, your clients, and public health, you should know when, why, and how to use sterilization and sanitation. Below are the methods for the same. First is physical agents and chemical agents. Let's see what are the methods which are covered under physical agents. The first one is moist heat. As you can see in the picture, that boiling in the water of 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degree centigrade. Normally what it does is we sterilize the tools or implements in the boiling water. Also, steam in an airtight chamber. Both these things are done under moist heat, which helps the tools to be sterilized. The second physical agent is dry heat, which is baking in an oven, a method of sterilization rarely used in beauty shops but employed in hospitals. So dry heat is a physical agent which you will be able to find majorly in the hospitals, then the beauty salons. The third physical agent is ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays in an electrical sanitizer are used in beauty salons to keep the implements sanitized. Ultraviolet ray electrical sanitizer are effective for keeping combs, brushes, and implement clean until ready to use again. You can see a picture of the ultraviolet rays electrical sanitizer, which helps the implement to be protected and sterilized or sanitized. Moving further to the chemical agents. Chemical agents consist of antiseptic that kills and retards the growth of bacteria. It is mild and safe to use on skin, hydrogen peroxide, and cutting edges from becoming dull. An antiseptic is a sanitizing agent that can be applied to skin and nails. Normally, when you visit the saloons or the parlors, this is one of the chemical agent which is used for sanitization. Another one is disinfection, killing of microorganisms capable of causing infection on non living surfaces. Disinfectants should not be used on the skin, nails, or any body part. Remember, before items can be properly disinfected, they must first be cleaned. The third chemical agent consists of formalin. Formalin composed of approximately 37% to 40% formaldehyde, which is gas in the water. Safe and effective sanitizing agent can be used as an antiseptic, disinfectant, depending on its strength. Let's understand the purpose better with an example. You can see in the picture below the lady visited a parlor for the makeover. You can see the parlor employees are using various tools like comb and other things which are required normally as a beautician to avoid the spread of the disease producing bacteria. The tools like scissor, comb, nail filer, which you are able to see in the picture, needs to be sterilized and sanitized. Why it needs to be sterilized and sanitized? So that the other person who will be visiting the parlor or the saloon should not be infected by any disease producing bacteria. It is necessary, in fact, very important for you to follow the good sanitation and sterilization practices, which could help you and others as well.
Well, this is the end of part 1 of Cosmetology Week 2. Hi, trainees.